students, this is the seventh part of change the voice. In the last part, we have learned if in WH question after WH word there is given do form or after WH word there is given to be form. So how we can transform those sentences from active voice to passive voice. Now in this part we are going to learn if after WH word there is given to have form or after WH word there is given modal auxiliary form. So how we can transform that sentence from active voice to passive voice according to this formula. So look at here on the board. The third sentence, I will take the same sentence as I have given you in the last part, where have you gone today? So this is the sentence of active voice, where have you gone today? And if after WH word there is given to have form, so how can we transform that sentence into passive voice sentence? So according to the formula, always take the WH word as it is at the starting of passive voice. Where then if after WH word there is given to have form, so left some space for the new to have form according to the upcoming new subject. So have is the form of present tense. In present tense there are two forms of to have and has. So anyone from these two we are going to use here. Why? Because here is given the present form of to have. We have left space here. Then we are going to search or find what is the main object of this sentence. So to find or search main object of the sentence, we need to ask question to the main object. Main object is gone. So first word we use what? What is going? We cannot get answer here. Then second word whom. Whom is going? We cannot get answer here. Then ask question by other word. Where is going? We cannot get answer. When is going? So when is going? We get today. So today is the main object. So write this main object here. So today is the one day, single day, and in front of a single or one singular noun we always use has. So we are going to use has here as to be formed. Then if after WH word there is given to have form, so after the main object we have to use been. Always remember this. If there is given after WH word there is given to be formed, so after the object we use been, and if there is given to have form after WH word, so we need to use after main object been. So we have written here been. Then third form of the verb in this sentence already given the third form of the verb, and that is gone. Then by. Then accusative of nominative. Subject is you, its accusative form is always remains same, you. Then rest of the sentence. So here is nothing left, so give question mark to it. But if this sentence comes, if after WH word there comes a modal auxiliary, so how can we transform this sentence from active voice to passive voice? Let's take an example. For example, fourth sentence, where can you go today? So in this sentence, after WH word there is given modal auxiliary can. So how can we transform this sentence from active voice to passive voice? So according to the formula, first take the WH word as it is at the starting of passive voice. Then if there is given modal auxiliary of that after WH word, so take that modal auxiliary as it is. Then take and that is today. So write today there. Then after the main object, if there is model auxiliary, after WH word there is model auxiliary. So after main object we have to write be. Then third form of the verb, there is the main verb is go. Third form of the verb is gone. After that by. Then nominative of accusative. Nominative is you. Its accusative form is also you. Then rest of the sentence, remaining sentence. Here is nothing, rest or remain. So give question mark to the sentence. So in this way, this type of interrogative sentences, WH questions form we have completed here. How we can transform any WH question from active voice to passive voice. But there are two other types of sentences. The sentence start with what and the sentence start with who. This sentence we can write differently from active. We can transform this sentence differently from active voice to passive voice. So how we can transform that? That we will learn in the next part. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.